All right, we good now? All right, should be good now. There we go. What the hell is it scheduled? The fuck does that mean? Oh. Okay, this looks much better. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Sorry about that, everybody. Much better. Does this look better, everybody? Let's go. Let's get it, baby. Sorry about that. I was making a video yesterday for my Instagram, and so I had to change it to vertical, and that messed up my output. So that's why it was all goofy. Got funded off that trade yesterday. Nice. Yeah, we've hit 3 banger trades in a row. So where's some wood? My desk. Knock on wood. Knock on my toothpicks. We're gonna find ourselves a winner today. Hopefully. That's the goal. That's the mission. That is the mission. Good morning, everybody. Y'all had a good morning? Everyone have a nice night's sleep, coming ready to trade and execute today. Yo, Jdun, the tongue holds power. I feel like I heard someone say that once too. I'm kidding. Congrats on your 2 years of being sober. Keep going. Appreciate you, bro. Thanks, man. Yeah, that's what she said. I closed my last runner yesterday around 200 because I went to the gym. I should have just left it. I should have just left my stop at that 100 area we moved it up to, because it literally never would have stopped out. It never would have stopped. That trade was an absolute heat-seeking missile yesterday. Like, heat-seeking missile. You really helped me change everything in my life positively. Oh, that's amazing, bro. That means the world. I'm glad I could be a positive impact for you. I am 23 months sober. I was never an alcoholic. I just didn't want to drink anymore. So I started off taking a year off of drinking just because I wanted to try it. And that turned into another year, and I think I'm going to renew my contract. What do you guys think? Should I renew my contract with myself for no drinking for another year? Gene also is sober. He does not drink as well. You know, honestly, what I think would happen, I'm more than likely, I'm like 99% going to go another year at least. I feel like if I drank again, I would realize like how much I hate it. I would regret it so much. It's also DOD not drinking. I don't need alcohol to have fun. I do everything that I used to do with alcohol without it. Oh, no. I gotta move this. Don't know. There we go. I finally got access to the Zoom. What's good, guys? What up, what up, what up? Yep, giant waste of money. I agree. I think I'd legit go back to I would take a drink and I'd probably barf. Genuinely. How y'all liking this all-time high? Honestly, oh shit. Honestly, I've been liking it, and I don't usually say that. I'm usually sitting there complaining about all-time high trading, but it's the last 3 days have been great. Sam won't be on today till like an hour and a half past open, unfortunately, but wishing the team all the best. Appreciate you, bro. Thanks for stopping in. Appreciate you, dog. What up, Grizzly Glock? I'm going to keep this winning streak going, man. We've been killing it. I figured out my Grizzology yesterday. Grizzly, I was trying to get those labels that popped up. I hate those green and red labels. I just personally don't like them because they block my levels. So I just realized I had to turn off the pain labels. PANE labels, whatever those are. Yep. I literally just use it for the levels. That's it. It looks pretty. It's Dumpster Thursday, man. It's Dumpster Thursday. I missed that guy. Missed that cat. The living legend. Legends live forever. Just joined. Can you repeat the name of the indicator? It's just marks levels. It's made by my friend / fellow trader Grizzly. It's called Grizzology. I just don't like marking the levels out, so it does it for me. Includes point of control, VWAP, but all things that you can mark yourself if you so wish. Do you size heavier for evals? I recommend almost everyone does, yes. But again, that's just my 2 cents. As a reminder, before we get started, we got some good deals in the prop / funding world today. We got 90% off Apex still. I recommend their 50K Tradeovate end of day account. We got 40% off Lucid, your first 5 accounts, and we have 40% off Tradeify, your first 5 accounts. FFF has some good deals going on too. It all depends on what plans you like and what fits your trading style. We got the market literally at all-time highs. I seen the S&P made an all-time high. Oh, crap. We made an all-time high in NASDAQ too. Wow, that's crazy. I was talking with my buddy yesterday. How crazy is it, guys, that literally we are at all-time highs? And what was it? A week ago? everyone was like, "Uh-oh, bear market incoming. Watch out." Like dipping. Nope. Nuclear move up. Bought the whole damn move back up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. In less than 2 weeks of trading days. That is bananas. All right, here's the deal, folks. If you guys get those like numbers up on the stream, you guys got your milestones to hit. If you guys get 400 likes today, you got a 50K account coming your way. 500 likes, I'll give away a Lucid Pro. And 600 likes, I'll give away a 100K Tradeify Select account. All you gotta do is hit that thumbs up on the stream, baby. Come on. We've hit 3 banger days in a row. I expect nothing less of today. Nothing less. I will not accept anything except for success today, whether that be making money or managing our risk. Oh, we'll get about 500 people for sure. We'll have over 1,000 people here. You guys are just early birds. You guys are the true early morning hustlers. You guys are real hungry, which I respect. You're here early. You're ready for market open. You're preparing. We're at all-time highs, so there's not a lot in terms of levels we can really look at, but I bet you guys can guess where my bias is. Where do you guys all think my bias is today? Where should arguably most people's bias be? Not short. No. It's possible. We could see a massive rejection, but guys, we've been doing nothing but moving up aggressively. The trend is your friend. If the market confirms a short entry, we try a short entry, but we don't think, oh, well, we went up massively. Let's just fight the trend all day. No. Not what we do here. Stuff like that is exactly how I keep losing my profits. Trend is definitely your friend. I'm telling you, bro. How many of you guys signed up for the free live training on Saturday? Better see everybody. You guys know anytime I put something together for you guys, it's heat. Anytime I put something together for y'all, you already know it's going to be heat. If you guys didn't sign up yet, I will share the link now. It's Saturday at 8 p.m. Eastern Time. Even if you can't attend live, which I highly recommend you do, I got gifts for each and every one of you guys that come. Get the recording by signing up here. I recommend you all come live. I'm going to have gifts for each and every one of you guys that tap in live. I'll tell you more about it when we start the webinar. Shoulder surgery. Good luck on that. Jdun, you screwed me. I stayed in that trade all day and it did so good that Vanquish changed my eval. Now I got to make 650 more to pass. The opening, the Nuggets game's at 1:30. Nuggets game is early. I think I'd schedule the training for during the Nuggets game. You're crazy. Never. Second cataract surgery. I'm not sure I'd ever be able to do anything with my eyes. I mean, I can't get, my left eye sucks. I can't get surgery or anything on it, but I got a lazy eye. Just don't work. What's up, bro? What you got there? Oh. Your go bag? Leaving the country?
Yep.
How was your night?
Pretty good.
Hmm?
Pretty good.
Don't. Good morning, everybody. I eat sheep. We try to change sheep into wolves. If you were a sheep, I want you to become a wolf. All right, guys, we got 1 more minute to open. One more minute, everybody. Less than a minute. Damn, the homie Gene been on time lately. Proud dad moment. Gene Sr.'s proud of you.
Good luck, everyone.
Let's get it. Good morning, everybody. As a reminder, today is another beautiful day to choose DOD, to stick to your plan, to make progress in your trading, and to not break your trading rules. Every single day that you choose discipline over cheap, garbage, self-destructive, self-sabotaging, useless, worthless, terrifying dopamine, you're making progress. I don't even want you to focus on winning more. I want you to focus on losing less and managing any loser that you take. Every day you wake up with a choice to make progress in your trading, and that's what we're going to do today. So let's get it. This first 1 minute candle's been something. It's been something. Three for three on the week. Wolves running packs. You want to be a T-Rex? Just made 522. Thanks, Jdun. Huh? Huh? It's what? Warm?
Like my jacket.
Okay, sure. I like that. Where did I get my shirt from? I got Team Bull shirt on, baby. I wear Team Bull shirt every day. I don't even think about what I wear every day. I literally just put on a pair of underwear, a pair of shorts, and my Team Bull shirt. Webinar got changed. It wasn't last night. Saturday. We changed it. Saturday, 8 p.m. Eastern time. We up in here. What's good, guys? Let's go. My trade of 8 literally won't load. Something's wrong with my computer. I guess no. None of that for now. You got anything in your what you're watching today, Grizzly Glock? GD's having the same problem. It says server error for his trade of 8. Yeah, literally just won't let me in. It won't.
You're in a trade.
What?
You're in a trade.
No. My trade of 8 won't let me log in. It won't even let me get in the website. It just says this. I can't even go to the website. I mean, it's fine. I have my live account up with my Edge Pro, but yeah, something's wrong with it. GD's, I guess, having the same problem. Dude, I literally can't even go to the website. It's mogging me. It's not about. Okay, never mind. I'm done talking about it. Nobody's listening. That's what it was saying. It's not about the software working. Let's see. Let's try to restart this. Hey, let's go. Now it's loading. It was saying server error. The server encountered a temporary error and could not complete your request. Please try again in 30 seconds. Let's go.
See anything else over here, Jdun. Just gonna be patient. The first 15 minutes for you.
We always got to be much more patient at all-time highs trading.
And no places tomorrow.
Oh, yep.
Tomorrow will be a very last size day for me. It was a solid week though. No complaints.
Yep, we're good. We're back to life. I got my glasses on today. They call me the Clark Kent trader. You know, I've actually never traded on Ninja Trader. I've never actually used Ninja Trader itself. I've only used Tradeovate. I technically should be wearing glasses every day. It's also good for the blue light protection in them. Good for your eyes. I just need to wear them every day. I'm blind on my left eye.
I'm gonna make you wear them. I'm gonna force them on you.
I was like, I'm gonna wear them today.
You look like me. I'm just gonna get a tan.
I look like you just have to get a tan.
Yep.
I need to sit in the sun for like 200 hours straight.
Yep. That move was insane.
I know. We hit all-time highs.
Yes. Brian was arguing with me.
Why was Brandon arguing?
Because he didn't bring the winners for all time highs.
And he's like, oh no, we're going back down.
No, he was like, this is not all time highs.
It literally is though. Or it was, and we're not at all-time highs the second, but let's see if we can dissect some value from maybe like a 300 or like a 255, 250 to 300 area bounce, maybe we could look for. Let's see what the 4-hour looks like too. Yeah, 260 area to 300 doesn't look bad. I think price action might be a little trickier today. Whenever we get to the higher time, or all-time highs, I typically start really focusing on the lower time frames because you don't have a lot of data to work with. On the NASDAQ, literally all-time highs is up here. Look at that. Look at that weekly chart. That's honestly insane. All of this for boom, then moves up. We finally broke that range and we just didn't look back. We are sweeping pre-market low right now. So that's something to watch for sure. Whenever we get to these all-time highs as well and these trickier spots to trade, I pay very close attention to my key levels every morning. As a reminder, too, guys, if you want to take my next trade with me, the 2 one-day pass accounts that I really like are Lucid's 50K Pro account, and then I also like the Apex Trade of 8 end of day account. So if you guys want to pass your eval in one day with your boy Jdun, right now Apex is 90% off using code Jdun. I appreciate your support. So you can play your part. How many contracts do you use? If you want to pass in one day, I mean, it depends on how many points. If you want to catch 30 points, you pretty much got a full port, your eval. You should never full port ever on your funded. Ever. On evals, different story. If it's one day pass, different story. If it's 40 or 50% consistency, 2 or 3 day pass, a little different. What? Gracias. No risk, no Rari.
What's that? Random news cable table?
I think this market's going to be take a little more.
My Discord.
Don't. Appreciate y'all being here. As a reminder, y'all got like goals. If you guys get this to 400 likes, we give away an Apex account. 500 likes a Lucid, and 600 likes, we give away a Tradeify 100K account. Nope. Not even really thinking about it until the 15-minute range is in. We got too much motion as of lately to screw that up for a silly trade. Our motion is honestly getting out of control. Do you live with motion, Grizzly?
You live with what?
do you have motion, bro? You got motion, bro. Yeah, you're the motion man. Motion's a good thing, bro. He said, motion. What's that? Bro's got motion.
Can you explain this to me? Like from the country, I have no idea what he's talking about.
Said, will someone explain it to me?
There we go. Discord finally working.
Have you ever heard of the term swag before? Similar to swag, but you got motion, like we're coming on every day, crushing these trades. We got motion.
Making money and doing well is motion. I guess I've done all right, man.
You can tell your kids. The people on the internet say I have motion. I'm a cool dad.
That would lead to them asking me to buy something.
York.
You got money, huh?
Motion and money. Do you ever trade before the 15-minute orb is established? Very rarely. it like once in a while, but it doesn't happen a lot.
15-minute range is in.
Yep. 15-minute range is in. Let's stay patient, trade smart, and trade safe, and find ourselves a nice winner. This is your daily reminder, too, that we are day traders, not trade everyday traders, and not take every trade traders. This is not Pokemon. You do not have to catch them all. So trade smart, trade safe, and wait for an A+ setup. We've had an enormous, I said the same thing yesterday. I'll say it again today. We've had an enormous, an absolutely enormous last few days of price action. Look at price these last 3 days. It is a very real possibility that we see some chop or consolidation today. We might not. I said the same thing yesterday and we caught a huge trade. But it's 100% a possibility that we see slower action today because we've seen nothing but enormous move up the last few days. So just remember that. Proceed with caution, manage your risk always, and you'll be good. Trading doesn't have to be extremely stressful. It doesn't have to be dampening on your mood. It doesn't have to be dampening on your self-esteem. You just manage your risk. Do those things, you'll find trading becomes much more enjoyable. And I don't think that's talked about enough. If we had higher volume on this candle, I actually wouldn't hate trying this retest to pre-market low and trying longs with stops below like the 15-minute low. Or the 15-minute low. It wouldn't be my favorite setup, but with how the trend's been, I wouldn't hate it. We didn't get the higher volume on this 5-minute candle here, so I'm not going to participate. Let's see here. What should I put my money into? Yourself. The S&Me 500. Invest in yourself, baby boy. You are tempting us to participate. What does that even mean? I'm actually quite literally doing the opposite. The S&Me 500, you like that? That's what you should invest into. Invest in yourself, King. Invest in yourself, baby. What does that even mean? Gonna start a new crypto coin and call it Paydown. Please do not do that. Please do not do that. You know how much money I turned down over the last 5 years in promoting coins and offshore brokers? A lot. Like a lot. A lot. Like 7 figures a lot. The integrity will never be compromised. Ever. Those offshore brokers are sketchy. Like I'm not going to name any names, but I'm sure you guys have brains and 2 eyeballs. If you see any influencers that are posting enormous gains on brokers like Hero FX and those brokers, they can literally give you a live account that looks live, and you can be like, "Oh, hey, look, it's real money," but it's not actually real money. Or they can edit the numbers themselves internally. So if you see anyone that's like, "I'm making 100, 200K a day on this unregulated broker," you might want to think twice about that. No one in particular I'm talking about. You guys can be your judge of if the shoe fits. You guys can be the judge if the shoe fits. Yeah, because those offshore brokers just book your trades, and they make money when you lose. Because they're offshore, they're not here. That's how they operate. Oh, I've had motion with Apex. I had 50K payout motion. So my biggest payout ever was with Apex Trader Funding. A moment of pure motion. You should fight amateur. I mean, I used to, for fun, go to boxing, and my mom had me in Taekwondo forever as a kid, but I don't want to fight amateur or box. I just have no need for that. I don't want to hurt my brain. Yeah, right. With my knee, especially not right now. All right, let's see if we get a setup here, guys. We might get a 5-minute closure here that, with how strong this market's been, it's tough to say. But typically speaking, I'd like to see us close down here with higher volume. We got the volume already. If we closed it, let's say we close this candle right here. You guys can see the volume here, see price. I'd want to see us move back up into this pre-market low and 15-minute low, short here. What's that be? 360 to 3. You could arguably even put stops at like this point of control, 393. 30 points of risk from this 360, and then look for shorts down. That's what I would. Sorry, are you saying something, Grizzly?
Yeah, I need to speak this for like 5 seconds here. Eagle, if you see my chart, we're going to close this candle. There's 2 add areas I'm going to take. I'm going to go half size to 26,345. I had more pre-market low.
For shorts.
Yes, for sure.
Nice, me too.
364. My stop will be at 383.
Yep.
That's the game plan. Everyone understands, right?
I don't understand. Can you explain it all again from the start?
Yeah. Asia low, first entry, pre-market low. I have the rest of my position if we get there.
I took shorts and second-guessed myself when Jdun said he was looking for longs. Please, if you have conviction in something, take it. All I said was that today, based on this action of enormous moves up 3 days straight, I was more long biased than short. That being said, if price shows short, like right now it's looking more like downside, I'll switch my bias immediately. Again, I trade the chart, not my heart. I don't care what I want. It's more so about what makes sense and what's going to get me paid. All right, let's see if we can pop back up to like that 340. Anyone here use Trade Syncer? No, I don't like the trade copying softwares. I always prefer people just choose one prop at a time and copy trade through a trade of 8. I am going to watch for this pullback for shorts up here to like 340-ish to 360 with stops at 3, like above this candle high. So at 383, 384. It's been a great week already, so I do worry about us having an aggressive snap up with how strong price has been, but I will be trying this if we move up here. More than likely we'll try it, I should say. I'll let you guys know what I enter. I'm looking for like let's just say 350 area for shorts. $340 to $360. $340 to $360 area for shorts. Ooh. Oh, big stretch. When I've been touched 325, nowhere near where I wanted to see. Have I ever considered automating my strategy? Not really. Bots suck right now. AI is not great at trading, at least on the retail side. As a reminder, I appreciate y'all supporting the stream. I do my best to give you guys great trades, great practices, and great discipline every day. I appreciate y'all using code Jdun if you're trading with Lucid, Tradeify, or you guys just unlocked an Apex account too. Congratulations to the YouTube stream. Y'all just unlocked an Apex account. And you know what? Because y'all did it so promptly, because you guys are the absolute MVPs of the entire world and universe. Where is my... No. Because y'all are the absolute goats. For real, for real. 2, 3, 4, 5... Hope y'all got your Apexes up because first code is dropping right now. Use it on any size account you'd like. I recommend the 50K Apex end of day. I just dropped a code right now. First come, first serve. The first person to use that code on Apex Trader Funding will get a free account. We'll get a free account. First person to use that. It's only valid for one person. And I was going to drop the second one, but I'm going to wait for this price to play out because we have a setup that could be coming. Get to 500 likes, we give away a Lucid account. On the YouTube, guys, on the YouTube. I'm live on YouTube as well every day. Full screen share too. Shout out whoever secured that. Damn, Michael said, well, Michael and Jesus both said they got it. So someone's lying. Someone's capping. This is not what I wanted to see in taking this reject up here. I don't like when, like if we're going to take a retest, I like to see us move up, retest, and down. I don't like us climbing with candle closes on the way back up. It's still technically valid, 350-ish area, 360. But you just got to be prepared to start your day red if we break above these levels. As a reminder, guys, if you haven't signed up yet, make sure you guys get signed up for the free live training this Saturday. If you click on the pinned message in the comments, it's 100% free to register. Let's see if they give us this move up. Right now, I don't love that 5-minute close. We've had a killer week so far. We do things a little differently on this side, trading with DOD. It's a little more boring in terms of actual trading, but it gets you paid long term. And I think everyone here would rather have a boring trading day and make money than have fun with it outside versus rip off a million trades than be broke as heck afterwards. That ain't fun for nobody. Like your trading itself should be very boring. We can have fun, like we hop on together, and it doesn't have to be lonely. Like we hang out and kick it and talk about how Jokic is top 3 players of all time. Talk about DOD. Talk about all the fun things, but talk about how Curry is nowhere near the top 10. But we also are very focused on strategic, systematic trading. We get the best of both worlds here. Dun, dun. I've never seen so many people get triggered when I say Curry's not top 10. Like I said it the other day, and I literally had the freaking mob got their pitchforks out. Like, Jdun, how dare you? Damn. Okay, maybe top 15, but Jokic, no doubt, top 5. No doubt. Jdun, do you like men? I love all of you. You're all the goats. I'm still gonna watch this reject area, but I don't love the factors leading up to it. If we end up seeing an aggressive push up where I don't get an entry or don't like what I see, the next potential setup I'll watch for is a close above this pre-market high, above point of control VWAP with volume confirmation to push up higher. This market might be a little trickier today. Could be a little bit trickier with being at all-time highs and the enormous move we saw, but we've had an incredible 3 days. We'll look for an A+ setup. If we get it, we'll manage our risk, and if we win, we'll have a great risk-reward multiple. And if we lose, we'll keep it managed. That's the only way this works long-term. All right. Yep, you still looking for those shorts up there in the 340s?
345. Yeah. I'm gonna add live 345. Yeah. I'm gonna have the rest of my position of 364 stops.
Yeah, I'll still watch for it around 352. I just don't love the lead up. But I'll still watch it around 352. 352, not 352.
350 TWO?
Yeah, 350 comma, TOO.
Good. Got Asian low. Fair value got midline. 15-minute range was with 345. That's not confident. Go up there and touch it. That's me. Starting up position. I'm in. Added light. I had 364 to hit my stop. Oh well. I really like this setup. You've got a small account. You don't want to take it here. Wait on pre-market low. Less risk.
Tried the shorts up there, Grizzly?
Yeah, I'm in, man.
Yeah, I thought about adding up there. I was going to wait a little higher. We might not get it. It's funny, we went and touched 352. Like I was, yeah, I don't like what we had leading up to it, and I don't know. I am. Trying a small piece of shorts up here, above 350. I tried it up there, guys. I entered 352 is what I got filled at. Can add at 360. Stops must be at 383. So this could stop me immediately. My hard stops are at 383. Yep. I think on a small piece up there too. My average is 54.50, so 55. So on the side of 80, 55, 65, 75, 83. So like 28 points of risk. On the bright side, we're trying to push. So at least we know we have the right idea. Yep, I tried those shorts up there, everybody. I was very clear about it. I have stops at 83. If I hits 83.75, I'll be out for a loss. I like at least 1-to-1 out of this too. On the bright side, what I was saying is that we saw the wick up, so at least we know that even if it does stop out, it was the right idea. Yeah. Sellers tried to step in. I would take this setup any day of the week. I have stops at 83.75. I'm only about half size risk because I'm a little spooked still to short the strong market, but the setup looks good. It's just been so strong, man.
Go straight now. You need to go open.
Still don't love. I'm saying I like it. Looks good from a system standpoint, but this market is so damn strong. I know these buyers are like the freaking damn Hulk. But I like the setup. I don't with how the market conditions have been. It's not ideal, but the setup itself with aggressive 5-minute candle, pre-market low, 15-minute low, clear defined risk, like that all looks great. So if I didn't take it and then we saw a nice move to low day, I would slap myself. But I have hard stops in, guys. If we go above 83.75 on MNQ, I'll be out. We're also hanging out up here. I don't like that we're not seeing any follow through with this reject. Typically with downside setups, you want to see us come test and then like just fail. Right now we're making higher low, potential higher low. So if this gets my stop at 83.75, I'll look for I'm still open for a long entry if we close above like say 400. It's about to get it. It's about to get my stop. Not there yet. It's thinking about it. But if we get a strong 5-minute candle above like 400, which is also above VWAP and point of control, I'm still in this trade. But if we get a strong 5-minute candle above these levels, I'll look for a retest for a long entry. Got my stop. I'm sure it got yours. Oh my gosh. I swear if we just wick up like that and die. No way. No way. No way it's going to do some bullshit. Wick up there and go down. No way. No way it's going to wick up. At least now give us a close above like 400. If it literally wicks up there to 939, I guess I wouldn't have said it even at 393. If it wicks up there then dies, I have no words. It wicked like 20. I was gonna say there's no way I would have stayed in that regardless. No way. Ain't no way. Say it ain't so. No way. At least go up now. Like if you're gonna do that, at least go up now. Don't do some BS where you wick up on a 1 second wick and then move down. Don't you dare. Don't you dare even think about it. Don't you dare do it. Don't do it. They get yours too, Grizzly? Interesting. MNQ wicked high. NQ only wicked. I mean, NQ still got it, but it only wicked up like 4 extra points. That's super odd. That's freaking annoying. I'm tempted to try it again with half size risk again. I just don't trust this market. The candle actually doesn't look half bad. Aggressive wick up. Higher volume on that wick too. What's the high here? 87 on NQ. On MNQ, that candle goes up to like 400. Yeah, I have 5 select funded accounts, 2 of which are above the buffer and get daily payouts. Yep. Ain't no way. Ain't no way, bro. No. I'm still waiting. I don't hate the setup of trying to re-enter, but I just don't trust this market fully to the downside right now. They did me dirty with that wick up. Absolutely dirty on that wick up there. Like, that was majorly foul. Extremely foul. Which, I mean, it just happens. It's annoying, but at least the bias was right. That's good. I would have taken that trade 100 out of 100 times. Oh, boy. We'd be just back down near break even now. I know. Isn't that foul? Super foul. And NQ, it was like really just wicked there. Wicked and then died. Yeah, I know. It's weird. MQ wicked up to like almost 400. It's very odd. It's very, very odd. We'll see how this candle closes. It did me so dirty, Gene. How was Asia yesterday?
It wasn't that good.
Slow or what?
Hard to trade because we're all time highs. I lost like 14 points.
Dude, look at this, bro. This was my price target. My first one. That was foul. That. It's all right. We'll avenge it. That does happen sometimes. It's like, one of those times where you have your stop set, it barely wicks out and moves. It is what it is. It is what it is. Somehow I didn't get stopped. Well, I'm happy you didn't. As long as you followed your plan. If you follow your plan and you make money, it's a win. If you don't follow your plan and you make money, that's still a loss because you won't make money long term deviating from the plan. Well, the bias was right. The idea was correct. Just had some BS with that wick.
I think the acting I could have done differently there was wait on the 5-minute close above pre-market high to stop. That would invalidate the trend, but
yeah, but that could get
the short-term trend down the lower time frame.
Wow. Unreal. I honestly would have taken that re-entry too after this candle here, but we question is, do we try it one more time? Volume looks okay. I don't fully trust this market to have continuation to the downside with how strong we've been, but it looks all right. I'm going to wait for retest. Following the system, following the plan. It sucks getting wicked out and having that be the case, but it's DOD, guys. Happens sometimes, is what it is.
Get back in shorts.
I know, me too. I'm just waiting for a potential pop up. I don't trust it fully. I really don't. Like, usually I'd look for a move to like 350, 360. I don't think it's a bad idea. If I do end up taking another short entry up here, it's going to be less risk. I'm going to have another half-size trade, so. The live is currently down 620. It's supposed to be like 580, but there's a little slippage on it. So probably put on another like $600 worth of risk. This. Dun-dun-dun. It does look sketchy. Like, I want to try it. It just low-key looks sketchy. Looks sketchy. And I want to catch the big move. Like, I want to catch a nice, solid 1.5, 2R trade. I also don't fully believe in, at this moment, with how prices have been a massive downtrend today. Not at this very second. It could happen. Man. It did me so dirty. Did us so dirty, chat. So dirty. Yeah, bigger stop. The people say that and then get kicked. Even a bigger stop on that trade wouldn't have done anything. You could always say, "Oh, I got stopped out. I need a bigger stop." Well, the bigger you make your stop, the more points you have to make it make sense. You know, that's all. It's a slippery slope to keep increasing your stop sizes. There is sometimes where I'll have a little bigger stop, but and it shows it worked. The bias was right again. We just got wicked out. Happens sometimes. What defines you and really determines whether you'll be profitable long term is your ability to not blow yourself up after losing a trade. You know? This is what happens when you say Steph Curry isn't the GOAT. It's stupid. That's the universe punishing you. How dare you disrespect my GOAT, Steph Curry? All right. That was funny. I'll give it to you. That was good. Is it a good time to short? I mean, I was watching for a short up here. I just don't fully believe in it. If you perfect your entries, you can have 3 to 5 points. No, you're not trading NQ with 3-point stops, bro. I'm sorry. You're just not. Not profitably over time. Maybe with ES. 3 points of stop, a 3-point stop loss in NQ every time. You know what, universe? I'm sorry. Steph Curry is the GOAT. Definitely belongs in top 5. Take that as you will, trading universe. I will die on the hill before I ever say that Braun is better than Jokic. I'll lose for 2 years straight before I ever say that. Ever. Stay patient, guys. 0 for 1 on the day. Got to update this from 1 to 1 to 0 to 1. 0 to 1. There we go. What the hell? Dude, MNQ is wicking way more than NQ today. It's super odd. Look at that candle on MNQ versus NQ. These wicks on MNQ have been vicious today. It's insane. Like 2 times now we've wicked.
What is it? The deal with MQ and these wicks?
I don't know. It's vicious, bro.
Massive. NQ has nothing.
I know. I'm looking at my chart side to side and I'm like, am I tripping? Gene, you want to come say hi quick? I got to piss like a racehorse. I'll be right back. I'm sure the market will do something great for you.
Market's moving weird. Literally, just ranging.
What's up, dog?
No.
Mark was on some BS for me, man. Nazdaquita broke my heart. She broke my heart. Gene got moved live with FFF. He's been killing it. He killed his pro account, killed his payouts. How much have you taken from FFF, Gene? Like 23,000 from FFF. I love him milking him.
Would have been like 2 months without that pulled up here.
Oh, snap. Y'all did it. The next light goal. Okay. Yep. You guys have secured yourself a Lucid account. Well, we got to give away. I'm going to give away one more Apex account as well because I told you guys since you got there quick, we'd go back to back and do 2. We are going to give away a Lucid account. If you get to 600 likes, I'll give away. I'll buy one of y'all a Trade If I Select account. How about that? Man, that trade bummed me out. It was a small loser, but so much potential. I want you guys to choose DOD. As you see, if I ever take a loss, I don't go back and try to revenge trade it and avenge it. We wait, we stay patient, we trade smart, we trade safe, and we wait for the next A+ setup. We'll see if we get a slow grind up. Dun, dun, dun. For all of you guys that are rocking with DOD and trading with prop firms using code Jdun, I want you to remember, I don't want you churn and burning accounts. I don't want you on the hamster wheel. Yes, I appreciate your guys' support, but I don't want you doing it at the expense of making stupid mistakes every day. If you go get yourself an Apex 50K TradeAvate account, be smart with it, especially when you get to fund it. Like, I see too many traders that pass their eval in a day and then blow their and then blow their funded the next day. A lot of y'all need to learn about the KMFA, Keep My Funded Alive protocol. Manage your risk at all times. Yep, Lucid we partnered with recently too. You can use code Jdun, 40% off your first 5 accounts. I'm never leaving this community. Jdun is stable, bro. I'm only, well, I am mentally and, sobriety-wise, I'm very stable. Sometimes I like to get out masks and, go a little bananas, but I'm stable, like, for the most part. You'll like it here, bro. You found a home. I appreciate y'all. If you're on TikTok, make sure you guys hit that follow button in the top left corner, too. Trade live for y'all every single day. Appreciate y'all trusting me with your education. Trusting me with your trading. I know it's very hard. We're in this together, baby. We're in this together. I still have another hour or so. Still have another hour of trading, so we could still avenge ourselves with an A+ setup. Here's what I'll watch, guys. If we see an aggressive 5-minute candle above 400, that'd be my clue. I wanted to watch for a retest and then go long. That is what I would like to watch to go long, everybody. I'm here. Can you not hear me? Check. What? All right. In the meantime, I'm going to give away that second Apex account. If you guys have an Apex account, be ready. It's first come, first serve. First come, first serve on the Apex Trader funding account. You put the code in the discount area. One of you lucky people is getting an Apex account literally right about now. First come, first serve. Just posted the code. Just posted the code. One of y'all is getting an Apex account. We gave away 2 because you guys were so generous to get us there. We're doing Lucid and Tradeify at the end of the stream. End of the stream, we're doing Lucid and Tradeify. Well, Tradeify if you guys get there. In YouTube, TikTok. Jdun Trades. But you guys should all be subscribed anyway. I put out tons of free game for y'all. Trade live on YouTube every day. Appreciate y'all hitting that subscribe button. If you're trading with prop firms, appreciate y'all using code JDUN. What am I listening to? Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Someone got it. Yep, I'm watching for, at this point, and unless we saw some aggressive breakdown or failure, I'd like to see a strong volume close. Here's best case scenario, okay? Best case scenario is we have an aggressive candle up, rising volume. That looks way wrong. And then, we pull back down, retrace, and continue up. Damn, I drew that a little too well. That's actually a little concerning right there. I said, hold on. Oh gosh. Yeah, I'm a safety pin. Like, Jdun, you've been practicing that? That's a neat curve. I was trying to draw a candlestick. Turned out a little different than we thought it was going to. We want to see a nice trend-setting candle up. Oh, gosh. He's got a disease or something. Nice candle up, pull back, rip. That's what we want to see. That's what we want to see. Is it nice? I don't know about dropping. It could, but we'll see. End of the stream. You guys hit the like goals. End of the stream. We're giving away Tradeify and Lucid account. Unk getting freaky with the chart. Bro's dementia starting to kick in. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. That first trade wicked me out after, and then went to price target, which wouldn't have been a huge price target. It would have been just over a 1 hour trade, but oh well. But it's just the price I pay. Like that, Gene? Just a bright side. I still have not taken a single trade on my Lucid accounts. I have 5 Lucid Pro 50K funded accounts. Now, this is interesting. Typically speaking, in a downtrend, I actually would like to see this. I'd like to see us have a touch VWAP We're right above pre-market high, or pre-market low, which I don't love. But I'd like to see a stronger volume candle here for reversal than move down. So I'm just going to wait. Yeah, I haven't taken a single trade of my Lucids yet. They've just been sitting there waiting for me. What is the best brokerage for trading personal funds? Trade-Avate's good. Edge Pro, Dorman's good. TOS is good if you have money. Like, I mean, if you're going to trade futures on TOS, you got to have bankroll. I wouldn't recommend it for futures. Options, it's great. I'm not shorting up here. We could make a move down. I just not quite there. If you were to go short here, just keep stops above like 400 probably. FFF's cool. They made a lot of positive changes. Funded Futures family. You can use code Jdun for the best discount there. If you have money, like for real, have you seen their margin requirements at TOS or Schwab? It's insane. It's like actually insane. Yep, they do pay out. They paid out like 16 mil so far. Most props are not monthly payment now. Most props are just one-time purchases now. They last 30 days. In chat, someone came and asked, does Jdun make you money? If I've helped you learn to trade or make money in the past week, give me a yes in the TikTok chat, gang. Let them know. I haven't had a good trading day so far today. I lost one trade, but typically speaking, we do well. Over a long period of time, we do well, and we manage our risk. Even on the losing trades, we do well. We manage our risk well. We manage our risk. That's all that matters. And we don't overtrade. I'd actually rather you start there, Durs. Now your expectations are as low as possible. The first 3 days of this week was insane. Here's what I'd still like to see us come. Have this candle move up like this. Find a high here. Make a point right here. Move down into this level here. And then move up. That would be ideal situation for us today. Is if we close above this 400 with higher volume, retest back down to this like point of control, and then move up. Dun, dun. All right, let's see. We might get it here. We got like 10 more seconds on this candle. Come on, push us up. Volume push. Volume push. We closed right at VWAP. Interesting. 60, 90. If we had higher volume on this, I'd almost say I'm going to look for a pullback into this candle long. I really wish we would have closed above 400. If we would have closed this at 400, I almost certainly would have waited for this slight pullback, went long, and then put my stops below like 360. Guys, yes, we're going to do the Lucid and Tradify giveaway at the end of the stream. I promise. I promise. We might get higher volume. If something you got to remember too is that you're going to have to always deal with all-time high trading. The market is literally plumbed to go up. And over time, it just will. That's how it was created. We'll go through down periods. We'll go through periods of retracement. But over time, you will continually see the market move up. So even if you like trading downside, like I love trading downside. I love trading the shorts. I love the puts. But I understand that I gotta keep my upside game on tap too. Just happens. He's got to. All right, let's see. We got a minute and a half left on this candle, everybody. What's up, bro? We close this candle like this, I'll watch for the pullback down to 400 area, stops below like probably 360. 30 to 40 points of risk, and I'll target that high a day. That will more than likely be my last trade of the day. All right, come on. We got 30 more seconds on this candle. I'm going to look for the retrace if we close it strong. All right, I'm watching for the pullback for longs. So likely my last trade if I take it, everybody. If I lose, I'll be over 2 and done for the day. I might hang out for a little bit, but I'll more than likely be done trading. I'm going to go ahead and start a small piece of longs, everybody, with room to add. 405. If you want to wait, I would rather see like 390, but I did start a small piece of longs that I'm going to try to take to high a day. I will add one more time if we get down to like 385 with stops below 360. And if I lose this trade, I'll be done for the day. I did start my position down there. I want to see us move to high a day. That's all I see. If I lose, I'm never wearing my glasses when I trade again. If you want less risk, like let's say you want less risk on the trade, you could technically put your stops at like 384, and then your 1-to-1 is only at up here at like 25. Maybe not a bad idea. It's up to you. I would rather see the bigger move because I want to add more. But let's just put it for this first position here. Let's just do that. We can add if need be. I did try the longs. 405. Just a small piece, though. I have room to add. This is where I want to be. This is the area I like for the first add. It's right in here. I will add one more time at 390-ish. And it will stop below 360. This needs to be at 360. There we go. If I lose this trade, I will be done for the day. There we go. Yep, I'm following the trend. My hard stops are set. I'd like to see him move up. If it doesn't work out, I blame my glasses. I can see too well. Maybe I trade better when I'm blind. With you, supersonic. First trade ended up working out. I just get wicked out on this BS wick right here. This is my second to last trade. We're above VWAP. I actually like this VWAP bounce, like 390, a little more than I like that 405, but tried it light just in case. We're above VWAP, above pre-market high, above point of control. If we go below this like 360, I will stop out, and I'll probably stay in the live for another like 20, 30 minutes, but I'll be done trading for the day. I won't be at my max loss limit, but I'll be done for the day, more than likely. I'd rather see I'd like to see a big move out of this. These buyers. Yeah, J will be done for the day. Get it? J is DUN. Not the greatest candle we've ever seen. Not the worst, but not ideal. It's not the best. It's also not the worst. I do have hard stops in, everybody. So if we got some war candle or news candle or something, we're My risk is always managed. Dun, 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 dun. See, what is that? What the heck is that? Didn't even get my ad. Didn't even get to add on that. Look at that MNQ wick. I'm still in at 360. What are these candles? I did add a tiny bit more. No more ads now. I'm either gonna get stopped out at 360 or it goes. I did add down there, guys. I did add on that move down. I'm going to put my stops. They're still at 60. I thought about putting them at like 66. Got the ad down there. Let's see if we can move up now. Still in this trade, guys. If you want less risk on NASDAQ, you can put your stop right below VWAP. I still have mine down at 360. I'd still like to see us move. But with these crazy wicks and action and all-time highs, I understand.
What is wrong with MNQ?
I don't know. Something's wrong with it, bro. It's like having issues. It forgot its meds or something.
I wouldn't take another MNQ to trade today.
Yeah.
It's AQ.
Something's wrong with it, bro. Something's wrong with it. It's going crazy. I want to see NASDAQ move up. It's on some games. Touch VWAP. If we get a 5-minute close below VWAP, I'll stop early for a loss, guys. As long as we're above it. What does he want? I'm staying in. I'm following my plan. My hard stops are set. I'm not even going to think about trimming anything until we're above, like, with that second ad. We have a little less risk now. But I'd still want to see at least up to like 20 or 30. This candle looks good. So even if this doesn't end up working out, we've had 2 times where we've tried to bounce. We just need to get some strength. I still do have my stops at 60 because I just don't. I want to let this trade play out. Being said, I would understand moving them up to like 87. I can understand that. Come on. Come on. Come on. Push us above 20. I'm going to move my stops up to 87, guys. Or 80. Move them to 80. If you guys want to trim up here at 20 with that second ad down there, it's at 1-1 almost. I want to see above 20. I'd like to see up to 30, as a matter of fact. I did take off some risk. Everybody, I moved my stops up. Well, I'm following my original plan. I want to go 30. And with that, we'll see where I want to put my risk at. I want to see us go up above 20 and shoot right to 30. You can manage your trade how you see fit. If you're worried, stressed, whatever, it's depending on your entry. If you added that VWAP area, 25, 30 points, just 405, it's only up about 10, 15 points right now. I want to see higher. I want to see this explode up. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. I'm going to take off a few contracts up here to be safe, guys. We're on 25. Taking off a few contracts, everybody. Come on. I want to see above 30. There we go. First price targets here, guys. If you guys got that second ad, we're cooking right now, guys. From the first ad at 30 points. From the second ad, we're at like 40 points. Let's get high a day. Come on. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Push us up. Push us up, baby. Come on. Come on. Come on. We want high a day out of this. Come on, baby. I'm going to take off a little more. I'm trimming off more, guys. Come on. I want to see this move to high a day and keep moving on up. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Push us up. We want 55 out of this. We want 55 out of this. Come on. $40 to 50 points. Come on. We want more. Let's go. Where are the haters at now? Where are the haters at now? Tiny baby, like 20-point loss. We're currently sitting up 40, 50 points depending on your entry. Come on. Come on. Stops are at 400, guys. Damn, I said Curry was number one and I hit a banger. We are back to green on the day, baby. Come on. I want more of this. I want high a day. I want high a day and pre-market high out of this, guys. My final price target on this is up here at pre-market high. I'm not going to let this trade go red. Let's go. This technically is a 2-bar right here, too. I'd like to see us. Oh, if we can touch this midpoint and move up. Oh, boy. Oh, boy. We're going high a day. Come on. Come on, baby. Let's go. Small losses and big wins, guys. Come on. Let's hold this. Let's keep pushing. Come on. Let's go, baby. Come on. Let's go, baby. Want high a day. And I've trailed my stops up. I'm not letting this go red. I want high a day out of this, guys. More partials will be off at high a day. At 455. Come on. Push it. Come on. All right. Here's the deal. We got Benny, the sophisticated bull, in the house. And he's saying, push this damn market up. Benny, the sophisticated bull. But you know, push it up. You got to push it up. Let's go. My name is Benny, the interesting bull. And I want to see us push this market up. No more partials to high a day. We want pre-market high out of this, baby. Let's go. Come on. Let me put on that song. Don't call it a comeback. I've been here for years. Grizzly, you take any of that with me? I hope so. I hope so. It's all price action, baby. That's all this is. You manage your risk. You stay calm. We hit a banger after. Come on. We want high day out of this, guys. No fear. No fear. High day's almost here. All right, guys. More parcels off. Price target achieved. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Final price target on this is pre-market high. Final price target's up here. Final price target's up here. Let's go. A banger, bro. 60 points.
Where'd you have your stop at? Did you trade him in Q?
Yep. I had my stop at 60 originally. I moved it up. We're final price target. Let's go. You know what? I'm gonna trail this up. And if you guys want to take some more off here, trade can be over here. This is my final price target. I want to see if this can run a little more, though. I want to see if we can run up to like 500. 60, 70 points. Let's go! Jake the Snake. That's what I'm talking about, baby. All right. After that first small loser, we need some positive energy. We need some positive energy, folks. Positive energy and positive energy only. If you guys took that trade with me, if you're still holding that trade, how much y'all make? Talk to me. Don't call it a comeback. Almost 100 points. Almost 100 points, baby. How we cooking? Big wins and small losses. How much y'all make on that trade? 1,000, 1091, 651, 555, 600, 889, 1500, 1061. Small loss and big wins. 400. Thanks, Jdun. Pay done. 183, 500. Save my XFA. 400, 380, 470, 500. Went from red to green. Let's go. Come on. Almost 100 points, baby. We are cooking. Cooking. Woo! That's what I wanted to see. That is exactly what I wanted to see, guys. Small losses and big wins. You guys saw it. You guys saw the patience. You guys saw how we stayed composed after taking that first small loss. And when you choose patience, when you choose DOD, you get rewarded for it. When you choose DOD, we're almost at 100 points, guys. We're getting there. Almost at 100 points. Let's go, baby. If you guys are struggling with confidence, conviction, position sizing, whatever it may be, make sure you guys sign up for the free live training. I put something together. I put something awesome together for you guys on Saturday. It's 8 p.m. Eastern time. I put something great for you guys together. It's at 8 p.m. Eastern time on Saturday. Damn, almost 100 points. Build confidence. If you guys haven't yet, Team Bowl, make sure you guys register for the free live training. I just put the link. Gotta run. Thanks for helping me with DOD. Appreciate you. I will always and forever do my best. All right, hit a banger. You guys know what that means. If you're in the Discord, post in the Post Your Gains tag. Post Your Gains tab. Tag me. I'll pick one of y'all to win an Apex code right now before I get off stream in 15 minutes. Tag me and Post Your Gains. Caden said, to be honest, I think I found my forever home. Seems to be the only strategy I've used that works nearly every time. I appreciate you, Caden. Welcome to the fam. Doesn't work every time, but we manage our risk every time. We manage our risk. Like today's a prime example. First trade, lost. Stayed patient. Waited. Caught a banger. You have mad haters, though. Of course they're mad. Their life sucks. We pray for them. We pray for the haters. If you're a grown man hating on another man online, you need help. We're Team Jesus over here. I pray for those haters. I can feel it. Come on. Still in this trade, guys. Only have baby runners, but still, I want to see this push. I want to see 500. Don't know. Almost ruined my payout chance. Well, you got to manage your risk, fam. Am I shorting here? Absolutely not. If you guys work a full-time job and you want to turn trading into a part-time or full-time skill, join my next free live training. And by full-time skill, I do not mean, and I would never say I want you to quit your job. You don't have my permission to even think about full-time trading, quitting your job until you have at least 2 years of profitability. I know that's unpopular. I know that's not what you hear from most educators online because they want to tell you, buy my course and quit your job in 6 weeks. Never hear that from me, ever. Ever. At least 2 years of profitability, then we'll talk about it. Even then, I still don't think it should be your only income. Lucid time, almost at the end of the stream. Make sure you guys all sign up for the free live training on Saturday. It's right here. I just posted the link. If you guys haven't signed up yet, click that and get yourself signed up. If you're on TikTok, you can also click my profile picture and go to my TikTok page and you'll find it there. You do not have to pay. You can get a VIP ticket for $27 that you get an Apex account and 3 other add-ons, but it's 100% free to join. It's 100% free. You do not have to pay. That's false. Don't spread fake news here. Don't. See, sorry, I gotta take this screenshot real quick. That's crazy. So 3. There we go. That was an awesome trade, guys. Took patience, but great trade. Awesome trade. Heat-seeking missile of a trade. Just baby runners. Just trade micros today. That first trade was some BS. That should have worked too. How many points do I use for stop loss? It just depends on the trade. It really just depends on the trade. Wow. Grizzly, you didn't take that trade with me? I thought you trusted me, bro. I said, you didn't take that trade with me? I thought you trusted me, bro.
No, I was gonna take it, man, but literally my internet went off. By the time I got it on, I confirmed the loan. It locked me out of my trade because I was missed it.
Oh, man. Well, it's all right. One small loss. That first setup was good, too.
Nice setup.
Oh! Big stretch. Big stretch.
I think it's another trade. I just don't see anything I would take here. I mean, long last week, but we pushed up some.
Be like 15-minute high retest. Stops below like 430. Doesn't look horrible. Higher volume on that candle too. Another heat-seeking missile of a trade. How awesome. I don't know what's happening to me. Winning on long trades and losing on a short?
That short was just dirty.
I know, that was BS.
It was dirty. The rates on M&Q have me hesitant to trade here. It's ridiculous.
Coaching the Lincoln East baseball team this year. Swing through. That's awesome. Lincoln East. It's my high school, man. Old school. Thanks so much. Passed my Lucid Pro eval. Let's go. Congratulations. You out of here, Grizzly? See you, bro. Damn, we're about to get price target. Thank you. Went from negative 1,400 to now plus 700. That's awesome. That means you made 2,100. Small losses, big wins. It's all relative. Hey, and I have a word, a very important word for all of you that potentially took the first trade, lost money, and then missed the second trade. It's okay. Because both were A-plus setups and both are going to come again. Both are A-plus setups and both are repeatable over time. So if you mismanaged, you took a first loss and didn't take a second one, and now you have FOMO, it's okay. More good setups are going to come. If you managed your risk and you stuck to your plan and you chose DOD, you won. So don't forget that. Taking control. Destiny is calling me. We got about 6 more minutes. I'm going to stay in the live. Maybe 10 more minutes. I still got to do the giveaways. I start every morning at 9:30 a.m. Eastern time. All you have to do is hit that follow button, or if you want to get notified, TikTok's really bad about notifying. I recommend that you go head on over to YouTube, type in Jdun Trades, and hit that subscribe button, and keep your notifications on. As a reminder, too, if you've had trouble registering for the free live training, you can DM me on Instagram. If you want to learn my whole strategy, build more confidence in yourself, learn how to position size correctly, join my free live training this Saturday night at 8 p.m. Eastern time. It's JDUN Trades on Instagram. DM me and mention that you're from the free live and you'd like access to the training. My Instagram is verified. It's JDUN Trades. That's where you can DM me. If you guys are having trouble with position sizing, if you're having trouble with confidence, if you're having trouble with your entries, and you want to learn more about my strategy and what I do, you can join the free live training Saturday. And if you don't, I trade live for y'all for free every day here. So, Alec, it just got changed. So sorry about that. It got changed from Wednesday till Saturday. It's 100% Saturday. You can also go to my TikTok page, Warrior of the Bulls. Click my profile picture, click it again, and go to my TikTok page. You'll see it. Are you scammed if it's free? Yep, I come on here and scam you guys for winning trades every day. I scammed someone so hard today, they made too much money and it went over their consistency rule. That was yesterday, actually. My time isn't free. I actually respect that response. So I do respect that. However, you'll get value on Saturday. Time is not free. So bro actually did have a good comeback there. I can't even rebuttal that. Bro won that one. That's facts. So for that, I am sorry that that was not communicated correctly. Your time is valuable. I appreciate that. I know that. And whenever I am teaching you guys on these lives and helping you, I do my best to give you your time's worth and help you become confident, trade smart, and trade safe. Gene, you want to come say hi quick? I'll be right back, guys. I'm not getting off for the day. Gene wants to have a word with you. He had something very important to say. Here comes Mr. Gene. What's up, dog? That sure was a heat-seeking missile, huh? I don't know. What is this? Is it a globe? It's a globe. It goes with some piece that I have. Oh, this I have.
Okay.
Alright.
Jo, bra, okay. Smells weird over here. Oh man. Try and close it down and then log back in. Oh man. No, I probably won't watch it, honestly. Let me know when we're down to the last 4 teams. We're Wonder what the market's gonna keep doing. I doubt if it will be posted. I'm not sure, Wendy. I've never heard of them asking you to reset an account. I'm pretty cold. I just like my hoodie on. Do 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 do. No, not necessarily. My regular job is I work for T-Mobile. I'm not sure. I don't know if it'll be posted on here. I don't know where Jdun went. He just left me here. I like it. Alright, peace out. What? Oh, I thought he was coming back. He's not. I guess I'm stuck here.
Banana boy, banana boy, banana boy, banana boy, banana boy. Banana heat. Freaking love bananas. Crazy. Let's go. Oh. I'm a banana boy. Ha ha. That's literally me right now, Jayla. Literally me. So where I wanna be. Don't sweet to be. All right, here's the rules for the YouTube giveaway. I'm going to pick 2 people to win. And if you do, you're going to have to post your Venmo or your PayPal. You have to post it. If I pick you, you have to be able to post it. Post it in here so I can pay you on stream. So I can pay you on stream, baby. Say, give me my money. When we go on the honor system, I'm going to hope and trust that you will use the money that I give you to get a 50K Lucid Pro account using code Jdun. Where I want to be, which is only $111 with no activation fee using code Jdun. Not a bad deal. 1-day pass as well. All right. If you want to enter the giveaway, start typing me. Or type DOD. Type DOD if you want to win. If you want to win the giveaway, type DOD. I'm going to pick one of y'all to win. I'm going to pick one of y'all. Right now, I'm going to pick one after 2. On the YouTube first. All right, Gene. Tell me when to stop in the next 10 seconds at some point. Tell me when to stop. I'm taking a big old bite of my big juicy banana. What?
Ready?
Tell me when.
Stop.
All right. Uh-oh, don't call it. I see a Nebraska logo. TS, let's see, go to channel. We got Taylor S at TSYN11, and he's got a Nebraska Cornhuskers logo. Let's go. Taylor is the first winner. I need you to type your Venmo or PayPal in the chat right now. Type your Venmo or PayPal in the chat right now so I can pay you. Oh my gosh, look at those longs too. Look at those longs too, baby. Look at that. Would you look at it? You gotta type it in the chat. Otherwise I can't pay you. I can't send a pigeon with cash. Guys, you don't have to keep typing DOD. The second giveaway isn't happening yet. You don't want to keep typing. It's not going to do anything. You're wasting your willpower. You're wasting your clicking ability. I'll let you guys know when the second one starts. How about this, Taylor? You didn't know the rules to start, but if you guys win the next one, you need to have it typed within 2 minutes. You gotta have it typed within 2 minutes. Otherwise, we're moving to the next winner. Time's money, baby. You get a break because you have a Nebraska logo, so you get a break. Come on. Come on, Taylor. Type your Venmo. All right, we got to start a timer, bro. I'm sorry. You got 2 minutes. Timer started. You got 2 minutes. Oh, TS what? All right. What is that, Venmo? Let's send him some money. $111 for a Lucid 50K Pro account. Honor system. You go use that money, get an account with code Jdun. It's a 1-day pass. All right, 111. Sent to our boy almost. There it is. Boom. Your payment has sent to Taylor. $111 to our boy Taylor, baby. Go get yourself a Lucid 50K Pro account using code Jdun. That you can click the link in the description. Honor system. I hope you do it. I scratch your back. You scratch. Oh, I see what bro did. Bro changed it to a Nuggets logo, thinking that was why I'm. Bro went and changed his logo to Nuggets. That is hilarious. Like, what is Jdun like? Y'all are absolutely hilarious. All right, second giveaway starting. This is for the big kahuna. Actually, hold on, it's not starting yet. I got to go check on let's see what it is. JJ Dunning. 8429. All right. What's up, Gene? What's up, bro? This giveaway is happening in the YouTube, TikTok. I have to do something real quick. So I'm not quite doing it yet. I got to do something real quick. Okay, so this next giveaway is going to be for $159 for a select 100K account from Tradeify. Again, these are the accounts that it's 40% consistency, so 3-day pass, but they get daily payouts. These are the ones that I'm getting daily payouts from too. I personally like the 50s or the 150s, but we're giving away I can't talk. Giving away a 100K account. All right. Start your typing. Start your engines. Type DOD. Make sure you guys are subscribed too. Start your engines. Let me know when we're picking, Gene. You tell me when. All right. Go to channel. Let's see. I honestly didn't see who we picked. We got Pastor Fernando Rocha. Fernando. Gene, is that your cousin? Congratulations, Fernando. Pastor Fernando. Preaching the gospel and Jesus Christ. That's a double win. Pastor Fernando Rocha. You got 2 minutes to type your Venmo or PayPal. Congratulations, Pastor. Congratulations. Congratulations. Will you hit the like goals? Come on, Pastor. You got 1:30 left. I really want to give you your guava. Minute 30 left. Come on, baby. I know you got it in you. Just type out your Venmo. PayPal. Come on, Pastor. You got to be faster. Come on, Pastor. You got to be faster. 1:05 left. I really do got the timer going. It's not looking good. 35 seconds left. Come on, faster, Pastor. Or pay. That's why I give 2 options: Venmo or PayPal. Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. He did respond. My Cash App works. I don't have Cash App, man. Don't have Cash App. I don't have Cash App, man. I'm sorry. It's been 2 minutes. Here's what I'll do for you, Pastor. If you can send me proof of your account on Instagram at Jdun Trades, I'll give you an Apex code. I'll give you an Apex code still. So we're gonna go ahead. We got to run this back. Venmo or PayPal. You have 2 minutes to type it out. Type DOD. Type DOD in the chat. You guys got a few seconds. We're gonna pick the final winner. 5, 4, 3. Gene, tell me when.
Stop.
All right, go to channel. Let's see. Mano1209. MANO1209. Congratulations, Mano. Clock started. Congratulations, Mano. Clock has started. Yep, 2 minutes. Congratulations. Get yourself a Tradeify Select or 100K account using code JDUN. As always, I appreciate you guys supporting me. Your clock started. Your clock has started. Oh, and he got it too. He got it. He got it. He got it. Let's see here. Congratulations. Mariano Sanchez 9. Mr. Sanchez, that's Gene's maiden name. Isn't it Gene? Gene Michael Sanchez. Congratulations, Mariano. YouTube giveaway. Use code JDON on Tradeify. Honor system. I hope you use it for a Tradeify account. Congratulations, guys. We get to the like goals every day. We'll do a different giveaway every single day. You guys join me. I help you make money. Give back to you guys. I appreciate you guys rocking with me using code JDUN. Also, for the TikTok, I got something for y'all too. All right. I hope you guys are paying attention, TikTok, because you got an Apex code in there right now. This second, right now. I just posted it. And I'll even pin it. First come, first serve on that Apex code. All right, Team Bull. Time to pick the winner from the Post Your Gains. Let's see here. The winner is going to be, let's add somebody to your arsenal, Tipton Trades. At JDUN with the heat-seeking missile trade of the day. I love that. Hit a banger on the Apex funded accounts. You just got another eval to add to your arsenal. Let's go, baby. He's a lifetime member. Winner of Apex. Let's go. Appreciate y'all being here. Money team. Appreciate y'all rocking with me. Keep trading smart. Keep trading safe. I don't think I'll be back on. I'm going to this space exhibit thing again. So yesterday, I don't know if you guys saw my story on my personal Instagram, but I went to, it's called the Space Symposium in Colorado Springs. Happens once a year. It was literally all these different companies like Boeing, Lockheed Martin, Raytheon, Rocket Lab, all these different space companies come and have exhibits and a bunch of cool space nerdy stuff. Basically like a science fair for adults of space stuff. I already gave away the Lucid account. I gave away the cash. You guys probably weren't listening. First person, what's his name? TSYN, $111 for a Lucid account. Yep, we'll be back at it tomorrow, guys. Keep trading smart, keep trading safe. I gave the cash. That's even better. Gave away almost $400 in cash with hopes that you use code Jdun, or that whoever won uses code Jdun and buys themselves an account. We do the honor system here. That's DOD. Keep trading smart, keep trading safe, stay focused, and I'll see you guys later, okay? If you guys have this trade open still, I'd put stops at least at like 450. And otherwise, let's keep on keeping on. God bless y'all. Have a good rest of your night. Peace. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Also, as a reminder, too, if you want access to either A, Free Friday, or B, the free live training on Saturday, DM me on Instagram at Jdun Trades. That's where you can get access. DM me on Instagram at Jdun Trades. It's the only place I answer DMs. Mention that you're from the free live and you'd like access to the free live training Saturday. All right, I'll be looking at my DMs right now. So if you want access to my private free live training on Saturday, DM me right now. God bless you guys. Have a great rest of your day. See you guys. Peace.